Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to use Google Calendar and some tips that will enable you become more organized. As usual, my name is Nasif, and on this channel, I make tutorial videos to increase your productivity at work. If you are interested in learning more about tools that will help you increase your efficiency and productivity at work whilst minimizing time, kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. The Google Calendar has so many features that can help you become more organized, increase your efficiency at work, and save more time. And as you know, the more organized you are determines how successful you will become. To start using the Google Calendar, you have to sign into your Google account. Click on the 9-dotted button at the top right corner of your screen to see this screen. First, you have to decide on what kind of schedule you have on your table. By schedule, I mean events, tasks, and reminders you want to set. Let's start with scheduling an event. To schedule an event, click on any of the boxes and you will see this pop up. Add a title, set the date and time for the event. You can add a guest to your event. There are also options of adding a video call if the event will happen online. If not, set the location and add a description or an attachment. You can change the color of the schedule here. Set to busy because on that day you will definitely be busy. Make it visible and set a reminder and add another reminder. Mostly I set mine to 30 minutes for the first and 0 minutes for the latter. 0 minutes for the latter because sometimes I might forget and need to just hop up on the screen. If you want to schedule a task, use the same process. First, by clicking in the box, select task and add a title. Set your date and time. If you want to repeat tasks, click here to select one. Add a description and save. Also, if you want to set a reminder, click in any of the boxes, add the title of your reminder, set date and time, select whether you want the reminder to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. And this is how simple you can create a Google Calendar to become more organized. Watch my next video on tips and secrets to increase your work output from 0 to 99% with Google Calendar. See you in my next one, and do stay safe.